was about 24 years old when I first noticed hair was thinning. I was constantly worried about my hair on a daily basis. It was affecting my day-to-day life on a scale that was becoming ridiculous. I looked on the website, I looked at the videos, I looked at the testimonials, I looked at the day of my procedure was much less stressful than I thought it would be. It was much less painful. Tell anyone that I knew, anyone who asked me to Dr. Bolton, to save them time, just go to Dr. B.
Hair loss began in my early 20s. I felt confident that the procedure would work. I feel there was no pressure in making a decision. It was basically an education, and basically my hair grew back very gradually and naturally. The results achieved were better than expected. I would recommend Dr. Bolton to anybody that I know. Be very honest about what their expectations could be. I came back today to thank Dr. Bolton and his staff. I felt the best of care.
I've been a hairstylist for over 38 years. My hair falling out, so I was very concerned. Unbeknownst to me, I have a friend of mine that knows Dr. Bolton and Josh very well. We were just having dinner one night and the conversation came up. The results beyond my expectations ever. That has a lot to do, I believe, with Dr. Bolton. The process is easy. Of course, Josh always will support you and stand by you. If anybody is thinking about doing any kind of hair restoration, this is something that I would, how can I say, is a gift from God in my mind.
Basically, I was like looking older, especially my girlfriend and other friends, they were like making jokes on me. My girlfriend, she was like, well, I'm serious, Jaime, you're getting bald, I mean, and you look like older. The surgery was like easy, it was fast. They was doing the surgery, I was like watching TV. He saw me with my new hair, so he was like, damn man, you look younger, you look better now, you know. This is the only loan payment that I do monthly with a smile on my face. This is the best investment that I do.
I had fears of just all my hair just falling out. My hair was to the point where there was nothing I could do with it. I feel the investment was well worth it. I would recommend Dr. Bolton to others. It was a fantastic result. It was a great experience. It was surprisingly easy, and I'm just a happy customer.